Hey there! Today I'm showing you a smarter way to handle foreign exchange. If you've ever missed a favourable exchange rate because it happened at 2 AM or spent hours watching currency markets instead of running your business, this is for you. Meet Firm Order by WorldFirst, your automated FX trading assistant that never sleeps. Set your target rate and we'll execute your trade automatically when the market hits your price. Just smart, automated currency exchange with transparent pricing. So how do you actually get started? It's simple. Log into your WorldFirst portal. You'll find Firm Order in both the payment section and the FX Center. One click and you're in. Here's how it works. Let's say you need to pay a supplier €8,000 in 7 days. The current Euro-USD rate is 1.17, but you want it to go lower so you can get the same amount of euros with fewer dollars. As you can see on screen, simply enter, first, the currency amount, either how much you want to buy, let's say €8,000, or how much you want to sell, whichever works better for your planning. Next, set your target exchange rate. You can simply adjust by 0.5%, follow the suggested range shown on your dashboard, or set a custom rate, let's say 1.15 for this example. Then choose your settlement type. I'll explain both options in a moment. And finally, set your good till date. How long should we monitor the market for you? That's it. 4 inputs, confirm your firm order, and you're done. Now, let's talk about those settlement options I mentioned. This is where Firm Order gets really flexible. You have 2 options. Option 1, convert right away. When your target rate hits, we immediately convert using the funds already in your account. The partial fill feature is particularly useful. Say you're converting for that €8,000 payment but only have enough US dollars for €5,000 when your rate hits. With partial fill enabled, we'll convert what's available instead of missing the opportunity entirely. Option 2, lock exchange rate. We lock in your target rate and then you have 1 or 2 business days, T+1 or T+2 to settle the funds. Perfect when you know your money's coming but want to capture today's opportunity. This feature is being rolled out across accounts, so if you don't see it yet, it will be available soon. Now that you understand the basics, let me share some pro strategies from our power users. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try event-driven laddering. Place multiple orders, maybe 30% of your total amount at 1.13, 40% at 1.15, and 30% at 1.17. This way, you capture value even if the market doesn't hit your exact target. Another strategy? Use it for budgeting. Got that supplier payment in 7 days, but today's rate isn't great? Set a firm order at a better rate and let the system capture it automatically any time before the payment is due. Or try a split approach. Put 70% of your funds into a firm order to lock in potential savings while keeping 30% available for immediate needs or other opportunities. Of course, you'll want to keep track of all these orders, and that's easy too. Managing your orders is straightforward. The Transaction Management tab has a dedicated section showing all your firm orders and their real-time status. Booked, your order is active and we're monitoring the market. Successful, we executed at your target rate. Expired, the good till date passed without hitting your target. Cancelled, you cancelled it manually before it triggered. Failed usually means insufficient balance or trading limit exceeded. Need to cancel? One click. Want to duplicate an order with different parameters? There's a button for that. Perfect for setting up those ladder strategies without starting from scratch. And here's something you'll really appreciate. You'll get email notifications for everything when an order is placed, when it triggers successfully, if it expires, or if it fails for any reason. You're always in the loop, even when you're not logged in. So what does this mean for your business? Here's what makes Firm Order powerful. Markets often spike during major announcements, central bank decisions, economic data releases, geopolitical events. These movements can happen at any hour in any time zone. Our clients regularly capture these favourable rates while they're sleeping, in meetings, or simply focus on their business. Those brief windows of opportunities that used to slip by, now they're yours automatically. Now, you might be wondering about safety features. We've built in smart guardrails too. Maximum 15 orders per currency pair, target rates with 5% of the current market rate, enough flexibility for any strategy while preventing costly mistakes. And remember, firm order is specifically for spot trades. For forward contracts and other FX solutions, WorldFirst offers a complete suite of tools to meet all your needs. So here's the bottom line. Each day without firm order is another chance you might miss a profitable rate. It's live now in your WorldFirst portal. Just log in and place your first order. Stop watching markets. Start capturing opportunities. That's the WorldFirst way. Got ideas for making firm order even better? Leave a comment below and tell us what other features you'd like to see. We're listening and constantly improving based on your feedback. And don't forget to follow us for more product updates and tips on getting the most from your WorldFirst account. Welcome to Smarter FX Trading. Welcome to Firm Order.